I think that pretty much sums it up. I found it at Spencer Gibbs.
Moira! Moira!
Oh no! I just finally cried myself to sleep.
The bed's soaking wet.
Is it blood?
No, there's a leak in the ceiling. There's a brown, disgusting drip coming. Look at, oh my God.
It's okay. Mom? Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. We're okay. We're okay. That's okay. That's right. Where? Mom? Mom? Oh my God.
There's no fault lines, no fracking, no loud music even. It's shaking on a daily basis.
On the dining table now.
Hey, remember that one summer we died under a table?
I found this in my living room.
I have to start looking at the world in a new way.
Don't try to understand it. Feel it.
I have something that can help. It's called biodynamic concealment. Imagine if I could make you disappear. Hey, Lance, look at me.
Look at you? I can see my butt and your face at the same time.
That is so cool. Being a pigeon can make you an even better spy. Pigeons are everywhere and nobody notices them. In fact, pigeons can see in slow motion.
That was tight.
Did anyone else see a pigeon?